Allah the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic 2 Advanced Level. In this lecture I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2015 MCQ, that is, which of the following is not an integral domain? Solution: that is, since the set Z, Z7 and Q are all integral domain because they do not have zero divisor. The set M of 2 by 2, it means M2 mean matrix of order 2 by 2 with integer element is not an integral domain because it has zero divisors. For example, matrix 1 0 0 1, second matrix 0 0 1 0 is equal to 0 0 0 0, so divisors equal to 0. So option D is correct. Set M2 mean matrix of order 2 by 2 with integer elements, so option D is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.